Good morning, it is Tuesday, May 12th. What I will be working on today is almost completely all computer work. Basically, we need to budget the Paycheck Protection Program, basically the Small Business Association loan that we got due to all the COVID stuff. So we need to budget that out, make a spreadsheet to see how we're going to use that and be accountable to the SBA for it. Because a lot of it is, if you use it right, you don't have to repay it. So we're gonna figure out how, like, what all of those qualifications are. Do that, and there's just a bunch of other computer work I need to do today. We still need to do the taxes that got pushed back due to again, the COVID stuff. So I will be on the computer all day long. Hopefully I can get it done before the end of the day and get some actual knife making done, but it's just something I've got to do. So I can stop stressing about it and start utilizing those assets that we have right now. So that will be my day. Not very exciting. I won't film any of it because it won't be pretty, but it's very useful and very needed to do before we can use those resources in the proper way. All right, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good morning, it is Wednesday, May 13th. What I will be working on today is a little bit of finishing up of random projects. So I'm going to kind of go through, see if I can get some stuff in stock. So I am actually going up to Washington State on Monday for once we were actually flying, again, all due to the COVID stuff. My wife and I are flying up to Seattle area on Monday to be with her father and try to help out with some stuff. So basically what I'm going to do this week is just get stuff to where it's a finished product, whether no matter what that is, whether it's a custom or stock. I'm just trying to finish up everything that I have close at this point. I'm going to do a couple more orders. Most of the computer work got done, but then Daniel and I came up with a plan for something else. So we should be doing, fingers crossed, we should be doing our Spyderco order today, which absolutely stoked to be able to finally say that. We were literally right about to do it when the COVID shutdown / slowdown came through. So absolutely stoked to be able to do that. So don't know how much of the day that will take up, but more computer work. But I'm going to start by finishing a couple knives, getting them in stock, working on a few other things. I have Ernie sheath to finish up, so that will be on my plate for today, and a Spyderco order. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good morning, it is Thursday, May 14th. So I've got 3 days left before we go up to Seattle. So Daniel and I had a good conversation yesterday. So we ordered our Spyderco knives, which we're extremely stoked about, and they'll more than likely get here while I'm gone. So what I am doing, I started this yesterday, is preparing this for Daniel so he can put the Spyderco knives up while I'm gone. So we'll have 3 over here for the folders, and then we'll have these 2 over here for the kitchen knives. There are 2 lines of Murray Carter kitchen knives that we'll be having, and so hence the 2 separate magnet boards. So I'll be finishing that up today, and then probably starting to build the rack for cutting boards, because they're actually on a display for something else, and that way if we can move those over, then we can get that display started. It's all juggling at this point and getting things made so we can display them properly. So that is what I'll be doing today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, it is Friday, May 15th. What I'm working on today is a new stand for Trinity Craftsman's cutting boards. So this is a piece of cedar that I received from a good customer, and then I have scraps from Brandon's cutting boards, which I thought would be really cool to make a stand from. So literally I got this all nice and plain to actually use a drum sander. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna attach these two bits like this, and then gonna already have one side of it angled up, and we'll glue that like that and just secure it, and that way it'll be our stop, and then secure these to the wall and we'll be good to go. And we will have a new display for all of his boards made out of wood from his boards, which is just cool. So that's my day, and I will see how much I get done. Good morning, it is Saturday, May 16th. So I will be finishing up a sheath for Ernie today. Goes to this big thick spine utility knife that I had made and Ernie bought a while ago. He just didn't like the sheath that it came with, so we are redoing it for him. So it'll be a straight drop sheath, right hand style. So what I have to do today is finish cleaning this up, get it tan coated, get it edge coated, get the whole thing tan coated, and I'll be done with this, and he'll be able to pick it up. He lives in the neighborhood, so he'll be able to swing by basically at any point. In other news, my hobby came in, and we have some improvements that you saw a little bit of yesterday. So my hobby came in, so we now have more lines of Miyabi. We now have a Kaizen 2, which is a new series they're doing, and we have more in the Artisan line. We got restocked in a couple of the things that we were out of, so super stoked about that. Looking good. This is all done for the Trinity boards and, well, the 1xA board in there. So got a lot done yesterday. Not necessarily about knife making, but stuff that really needed to happen before I went on vacation. Spyderco's boards are ready up here. So as soon as they approve our dealership, new dealer agreement with them, and they'll get some knives to us, we'll get them up. So I will be continuing my hobby. I still have some stuff to put away. Like I said, it got in like last thing yesterday, so I will do that and see when I can get the sheath done. I'll start on it right away. Have a great weekend. I'll see everybody when I get back. Have a great one.